If you're still using a spinning hard drive, that is a crime against humanity. Like seriously, swap that 1TB HDD for something like a Western Digital Black or a Samsung 990 EVO. You can get yourself upwards of about 2TB to 4TB storage, and it's way faster. One screw, slide the gum stick in, fasten it down, and you're done. You can expect Windows to boot up in seconds rather than minutes, Warzone shaders to install in a fraction of the time, and texture popping to pretty much disappear, with sequential read and write speeds around 7 MB per second, so your games will preload assets before you can even take a sip of coffee.